अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज की वीडियो में मैं लाया हूँ आपके लिए एक और ज़बरदस्त जॉब अपडेट, जहां आप फिज़िकल या ऑनलाइन दोनों तरीके से अप्लाई करके अपना करियर सिक्योर कर सकते हैं। चैनल का नाम है हाइब्रिड जॉब्स कंबाइनिंग फिज़िकल एंड ऑनलाइन वर्क। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और डिटेल में देखते हैं आज की अपॉर्चुनिटी। Assalamu alaikum friends. If you are a doctor, nurse or medical professional, then this video can change your career because since government has announced multiple vacancies at one of Pakistan's most prestigious trauma institute, SMBBIT Karachi. Stay with me till the end because I will tell you eligibility to vacancies and the exact method apply online. About the institute, Dr. Syed Muhammad Baksh Shah Memorial Institute of Trauma Karachi, SNBBIT, is a Sindh government health institution well known for emergency care, trauma services, and advanced medical treatment. Working here means government ensure exposure, professional growth, job opportunity, job security, and real medical experience. Available positions and men. Friends, this is the most important part of this job advertisement. SMBBIT has announced multiple medical and nursing posts, including anesthesiologist 6 posts, cardiologist 2 posts, neurosurgeon 2 posts, radiologist 3 posts, pediatric intensive 3 posts, dental surgeon 2 posts, orthopedic surgeon 2 posts, medical registrar 10 posts, emergency specialist 3 posts, medical officer 30 posts, resident medical officer 3 posts, junior pediatrician 3 posts, staff nurse 50, charge nurse 10 posts, infection control nurse 10 posts. This is a huge opportunity, especially for MBBS doctor and nursing staff. Eligibility and qualification. Eligibility depend on the post, but journal PMDC registration is mandatory for doctors. PNC registration is required for nurses. Relevant qualifications such as MBBS, FCPS, MCPS, BSc nursing or equivalent relevant experience will be preferred. Government employees must apply through proper channel. Job nature and important condition. Appointment will be made purely on our contract basis. Selection will be done on merit. Only shortlisted candidate will be called for interview. No TA/DA will be admissible. Last date and deadline urgency create. Last date to apply 6 January 2026 before 11:59 hours PM. Friend, late application will not be accepted, so do not wait for the last day. How to apply? Apply is 100% online. Visit the official website https update slash jobs.smbit.gos.pk. Select your desired post. Fill the online application form carefully. Submit before the deadline. Incomplete application will be rejected. Friends, opportunities like this do not come again and again. If you are or someone in your family is a doctor or nurse, share this video immediately. For daily government jobs, medical jobs, and latest updates, subscribe to Hybrid Jobs combining physical and online work and press the bell icon so you never miss on opportunity. Allah आप सबको कामयाबी दे. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to my channel Hybrid Job combining physical and online work.